Hello everyone, welcome back to Lavanya Sikalou Vlogs. In today's video, we're going to explore some amazing bedroom design ideas, from simple budget-friendly rooms to luxurious modern bedrooms that feel like five-star hotels. If you're planning to decorate or renovate your bedroom, stay tuned till the end. You'll get plenty of ideas for walls, lighting, furniture, and color combinations. Luxury bedrooms are all about comfort and elegance. Use velvet fabrics, gold or bronze finishes, and decorative chandeliers for that premium look. Choose king-sized beds, layered curtains, and soft rugs on the floor. Wall molding with LED cove lighting or a 3D panel design can make the room look royal. Don't forget to add a statement mirror, scented candles, or artwork to complete the luxury vibe. Want a beautiful bedroom without spending too much? Here are a few tips. Paint one wall with a bold color, instant refresh. Use fairy lights or wall lamps for soft lighting. Change your bed sheets, cushions, and curtains to matching tones. Add DIY wall art or photo frames. Keep the room neat and clutter-free. That's the secret to beauty on a budget. Modern bedrooms focus on simplicity, clean lines, and smart lighting. Use neutral shades like white, beige, or light gray, and add one accent color such as navy blue or teal. A minimalistic bed with a soft headboard, a floating side table, and warm LED strip lighting can instantly give a modern vibe. Also, try wall-mounted wardrobes to save space and keep the look sleek. If you love nature, add a small indoor plant or wooden texture wallpaper behind the bed for a calm and cozy feeling. For smaller bedrooms, smart use of space is the key. Use light wall colors like cream, sky blue, or mint green to make the room appear larger. Install multi-purpose furniture, like a bed with storage drawers or a foldable dressing table. Wall shelves help in keeping decor items without using floor space. And use mirrors. They reflect light and make the room feel double the size. Kids' rooms should be colorful, fun, and safe. Use bright tones like yellow, sky blue, or pink with cartoon or nature-themed wallpapers. Add bunk beds or study tables with creative shapes. Use soft flooring like foam mats to prevent injury. Make sure the room gets good sunlight during the day, and use night lamps with cute shapes for evenings. A small play zone corner or wall chalkboard adds creativity for your little ones. So friends, these were some of the best bedroom design ideas, from simple to stylish. Tell me in the comments, which one is your favorite? Modern, luxury, or kids' room style? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Lavanya Sikalou Vlogs for more home design and painting inspiration. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video with more creative ideas.